Jagua stains generally last for 1 to 2 weeks before it begins to fade. However, when you take good care of the Jagua stain, it is more likely to last for several weeks or even longer. Here are 10 ways to ensure your Jagua stain lasts longer. Number 1. Before applying Jagua to the skin, ensure that the skin is clean and completely free from any lotions, makeup, or natural oils. Number 2. Once the Jagua gel is applied to the skin, allow it to dry for at least 2 hours. Make sure not to touch the Jagua design once applied. Try not to stretch or push the skin together, and make sure not to touch the tattoo on any other part of the body. Number 3. Leave the Jagua gel on your skin for as long as possible. The longer the gel stays on the skin, the darker the stain will be. Number 4. While washing the Jagua gel away, use room temperature water and mild soap. The best way to remove the dried Jagua gel is with the fingertips. Number 5. In order to dry the Jagua stain, do so by dabbing it gently with a cloth. If you rub the design at this early stage, it might begin to fade more quickly. Number 6. Try to keep the Jagua stain from soap and water for 24 hours once the gel has been washed away. Number 7. Avoid sports or physical activity or doing any activities which can lead to perspiration to keep the skin clean and free from sweat. Number 8. The gel will last more depending on which part of the skin it is applied to. On the back and arms, it generally lasts the longest. Stains on thicker skin such as the feet and hands stain the darkest. Number 9. After the Jagua gel is removed from the skin, avoid lotion and sunblock for the first 2 days. After the first 2 days, you can apply a coat of natural oil, butter, or lotion to keep the stain moisturized. Number 10. Drink water and stay hydrated. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Shop the highest quality Jagua powder, juice ink, and gel at the most competitive prices in the world only at jaguafactory.com.